Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix duplicate contacts on iPhone or Android. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So for iPhone, what you need to do is head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, tap on your iCloud name, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the option iCloud. Now once you are here, scroll down, tap on the see all option right here, and then once you scroll down and then check to see if this contact option is toggled on or not. Open iCloud.com on a computer browser, log in and then select contact. Look for duplicates manually or select multiple contacts and merge them. You can also merge contacts automatically. iCloud sometimes automatically merge duplicate contacts, but if not, what you can do is just simply toggle this on and off, and then it will merge it automatically. And now for Android, what you need to do is just simply use Google Contacts. Visit googlecontacts.com and sign in. On the left panel, click fix and manage, find and merge duplicates. Google will show a list of duplicate contacts, and then click merge to combine them. On your Android phone, open the Contacts app, tap the three lines on the top left, and then go to the settings, then merge duplicates. Your phone will automatically suggest duplicates, then tap merge to combine them. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.